For the last 30 years, I've had a passion simmering on the back burner. It's been my quiet companion through 3 decades of work, raising a family, and all the responsibility life throws at me. It's a love for food, not just any food, but honest to goodness, handcrafted, smoke-infused food that brings people together. For 3 decades, this has been my hobby, my escape, but it's always had to take a back seat. I kept telling myself someday I'd have the time. Someday I'd get to take it seriously, to experiment, to share my techniques, and build a real community around that passion. Well, I'm here to tell you that someday is finally here. Thanks to a little thing called retirement. I'm finally cranking up the heat. Welcome back to what is technically episode 2 of my YouTube retirement journey. I know I originally planned to give you monthly updates, but the last few months of work were an absolute whirlwind. But I am thrilled, and I mean thrilled, to report that as of 4 weeks ago, I am officially retired after more than 50 years of working the grind. For the first time in my adult life, I get to pour everything I have into this channel and the community. This isn't a hobby anymore. This is the main event, and it's all thanks to you. When I started this channel, I was just seeing what would stick. I wanted to share recipes my family loves, from breakfast classics to smoked meats. I called it Brinner Bites, a little nod to our love for breakfast for dinner. I posted 49 videos, and bit by bit, a community has started to grow. We've hit over 60,000 total views and have 165 subscribers as of today. Now, those might seem like small numbers on YouTube, but to me, that's 165 people who've raised a hand and said, I'm interested, and that means the world. But then something incredible started happening, especially this July. The response has been unbelievable. This month alone, the channel has gotten over 8,000 views, a huge jump from the month before. We welcomed 23 new subscribers, almost double the previous month when I was still working. The momentum is building, but here's the number that really stopped me in my tracks. The average view percentage for the channel last month was nearly 50%. In the YouTube world, that's a massive signal. It means when you click on a video, you're not just clicking away. Nearly half of you are sticking around for half the video or more. You're engaged, you're interested, you're telling me something really important with your time. You're telling me you want more. The proof is right there in the top videos. Our video on making homemade Canadian bacon, it's a breakout star with over 3,100 views and a 63% average retention rate. That tells me you didn't just want to see the final product, you wanted to learn the craft. Another one, my little secret to Granny's mac and cheese, has over 2,200 views with a mind-blowing 75% retention. And my little uptick on the tastier McMuffin, well, hitting 2,200 views proves our shared love for breakfast innovation is real. The message is loud and clear. You want more smoke, and you want more unique breakfast techniques. And that brings me to the real reason we're here today. This isn't just an update on my retirement. It's about taking that 30-year-old passion, listening to the clear message you've sent me, and building the channel we all want. After 49 videos and a community that keeps asking for more Smokehouse content, it's time for the next logical step, a very exciting step. I am officially announcing that as of today, August 1st, Brinner Bites has evolved. We are relaunching the channel as the Brinner Smokehouse. I didn't take this lightly. I love the name Brinner Bites, but as I looked at the numbers and read your comments, I realized bites just didn't capture the soul of what we're doing. Smokehouse, on the other hand, does. It speaks to tradition, to craft, to that low and slow process of turning simple food into something incredible. It feels like a destination for anyone who loves barbecue and smoked foods. And we're keeping Brinner because that's our unique twist. It's what makes us, us. We are and always will be the home of smoke-kissed breakfast and comfort foods touched by smoke. This rebrand is a promise to you, the community that built the channel. Retirement has given me the most valuable thing of all, time. And I'm dedicating that time to the Brinner Smokehouse. This isn't the end of the channel you subscribe to. It's the beginning of its most focused and passionate chapter yet. So what does this actually change for you? Everything. The biggest difference is that I'm in it full time. No more squeezing in filming on weekends or editing after a long day at work. Now I have total focus to develop deeper recipes and test new techniques. We're not here to rehash the same old recipes you see everywhere else on YouTube. We're going to create some new classics and put fresh twists on old favorites. The kind of dishes that might just challenge your own family's most beloved recipes. This new focus is already underway, and to celebrate the official rebrand, next Friday, August 8th, we're dropping the ultimate comfort food mashup, the bacon mac and cheese fatty. If you don't know what a fatty is, you're in for a serious treat. We'll take a classic sausage roll stuffed with creamy, gooey mac and cheese and wrap it all in a perfect bacon weave. But here's the secret. I'm going to show you a pro technique for a completely mess-free result. No more cheese explosions in the smoker, the kind of technique that separates a good cook from a great cook. And it's what the Brinner Smokehouse is all about. This isn't just a name change, it's a new beginning that retirement has made possible. It's the start of building a community for everyone who believes that breakfast, brunch, or Brinner can be made even better with the magic of smoke. This is for all of us. And don't worry, the monthly retirement journey updates are here to stay. They'll just be a part of the Brinner Smokehouse now. So here's my ask. If you're as excited about this as I am, and if you believe in what the Brinner Smokehouse can be, please hit that subscribe button. And I want to hear from you. Leave a comment below. Tell me what you think of the new name. More importantly, what do you want to see come out of the Brinner Smokehouse? Are you ready for that bacon mac and cheese fatty this Friday? Curious about cold smoking? Got a comfort food classic that you want to get the smoke treatment? Let me know. This is a conversation, and I finally have the time to really listen. For 30 years, this was a dream on the back burner. Now it's a reality we get to build together. There's nothing better than homemade comfort food with a smoky twist. And for the first time, I have all the time in the world to perfect it for you. Thank you for being here, and welcome to the Brinner Smokehouse. Later, Gator.